Why is he still calculating the route?
Go for this.
You're too short. All right, guys, and welcome to the first video of the new year. This is the first video of 2025, and again, I am with my lovely daughter. We are driving today in a Skoda Elroq, the newest model of Skoda, and this one is the Sportline version with 83 kilowatt hours of battery. Yeah, guys, this is the little brother, sister. What is it, Inshi?
Brother or sister.
Brother or sister of the Enyaq. The difference is the interior is exact the same as the Enyaq, and also the platform and the base where this car is built on. The only difference is the trunk. This one has a small trunk and the Enyaq is a lot of longer on the back side. So in the Elroq, Skoda used the new logo on the steering wheel, but yeah, everything else is the same. We have a blind spot warning light. We have also this button here for the steering heat. With these flippers we can adjust. Let me see if that's true. That doesn't work.
Go for this.
You're too short. Over there, a beautiful black BMW i4. What is he gonna do? He is playing with his phone. Guys, don't play with your phone when you're driving. What do you think about the road noise?
The road noise. I don't know actually.
Is it noisy or is it okay?
It's okay.
There is some noise from the wheels, right?
Yeah, a little bit. I think.
But if you ask me, it's a little bit noisy.
Yeah, a little bit.
But the seats are very comfortable. These are the sport seats. What I also like about this car, and most of the newest cars don't have it, are actually physical buttons. See?
Yeah.
So this is the assist button. So you can turn on and off the assist systems. So that's a good thing. This is the driving mode, I guess. We are now in normal mode. Let's put it in sport mode and accelerate from 100 to... Nah, it's okay. From 0 to 120 kph, it's okay. Let's put it back in. Let's put it this time in comfort mode.
Or eco.
Can you go to the right side, sir? Thank you. He's also playing with his phone. You see that?
Yes.
Come on, guys, don't play with your phone. You are driving. It's not safe. This is the navigation. Oh, it's pretty. It's pretty solid. You see how it reacts? Very quick. You see?
Yeah.
Can we zoom in? Yeah, we can also zoom in and out. Nice. And it reacts very fast. All right.
And we don't want that.
And what is this? 3D modus also.
Cool.
Let's check if we can navigate to navigeer naar Istanbul.
Oké, Istanbul, centrum. Goeie reis.
Goeie reis. Thank you. Let's see.
I really trust it. Oh yes.
Look, the route to Istanbul is 2,696 kilometers from here.
Whoa.
But what we want to know is,
Oh, we have to turn back.
yeah, but will this navigation calculate for us where we gonna take
Pause.
and charge our car?
You know what? We are there pretty fast. Look.
What is this? Istanbul only? So the first stop, you see, is in, look, it's not very fast. It's not fast calculating, but the first, no, this is not the places to stop and take some charging. You see? Why don't we see that? No, this is,
Where we are.
this is where we are right now. And I don't get it.
It's still loading.
Yeah.
Let's stop.
No, wait.
Still.
In the BYD, we had the same problem, you know?
Yeah.
Do you remember?
Yeah, a little bit.
A few moments later.
Why is he still calculating the route? You see, he's
Calculating.
we want to know if we can drive with this car to Istanbul and if he can calculate the charging stops. You know what? Let's stop this route. This car comes in 3 different versions: the Select, Business, and the Sportline. Those are the different models you can buy in the Netherlands. There are 3 types of battery capacity with 55, 63, and 83 kilowatts hour. In the base model, the Select one, you can only choose between the smallest battery pack, the 55 kilowatt hour and the 63. And the Business and Sportline version, you can only choose between the 63 kilowatt hour and the 83. So guys, this car, the price of this car starts at 42,000 euros, the Sportline version. I don't know exactly what the other versions cost. Inchi, what is the range of this car? I thought it was like 450 kilometers. Is that correct?
Let's see. 450 kilometers.
So 0 to 100 kph in...
It's 6.6 seconds.
All right. And what is the top speed of this car?
180 kilometers per hour.
180 kilometers an hour. The horsepower is 286 and with 555 Newton meters of torque. So the charging speed of this car is normally with AC is 11 kilowatt AC, and 175 DC.
The car's getting crazy.
Hmm?
Car's getting crazy.
Which one?
That one. That one is getting crazy.
Let's go.
You scared me.
So let's park the car, test the rear cameras. Ah, somebody is already parked over there, but that's okay. We can park in front of him. Let's try. Okay, it's a small gear selector. You know what the letter R stands for?
Reuse.
All right, so we have the backup camera. You can change the angle, not like the BYD. And if you haven't watched,
That video.
you can look. You
Ooh,
can
that's scary.
you can choose from different camera angles. All right, that's it for today. Let's put it in park. Guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe,
To like,
and
share, and to comment.
to share and leave a comment. All right, and we see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Bye bye.